Hey gang, Dave here, Getting Any Outdoors, and today I'm coming at you live at the laboratory, and I'm going to be just doing up a little bit of airbrushing on some lures that I have started. And this one here is going to be the one I'm going to kind of do today. It's going to be that jointed one, jointed top water. Paint's been sitting for a while, so I'm going to have to do a lot of shaking and mixing this stuff. I mix all my paint right in the brush. Probably not supposed to, but I do. Lots of stuff I don't supposed to. I got this little scientific eyedropper. Put a few some of that in there. I'm going to start with metallic white pearl. I'm going to paint everything metallic white pearl. Oh, I don't have anything to clean this. That wasn't smart. It's working. Alright, where'd it put it? I had to throw the compressor down the hallway, so I was going to make everybody happy out there. You guys will hear me? Oh, sorry. Everybody's going to say, holding the airbrush wrong. Of course I'm holding the airbrush wrong. I'm a terrible painter. I'm going to paint the frog first. I'm going to do a little bit of neon yellow up the side of his rib cage. Oh yeah, I've done little jointed babies too. This is where it all started. I tried making it out of resin. I'm not very good at doing it with resin. A little bit of neon yellow up his derriere too. Look how smart I am. I went and got another pair of pliers. I don't even know what I'm going to paint this at. Probably just do a little bit of that neon. That way I can empty it all back into the pot. Yeah. So where's my little hangery? Sun's pretty bright coming in that window, so. Trying to see if it. Never mind. You guys don't care. Mixed up some dark green for the bass part. Rule of thumb, too thick, won't come out. Too thin, runs everywhere. There's probably better people than me to give advice on paint mixing. I'm going to stop right there. This is yoga airbrushing. Should I put something in that mug? That's a presser. Making the family happy. I got 4 things in my hand. That is multitasking. Tried something. As I was cleaning out the green out of the brush, I thought, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to add some like coppery brushed bronze, and that'll give my poor little toad or frog or whatever some new color. That's it. Oh, green. So now the brown's going to start coming out. I don't want it to look too. Of course, I don't want it to look too good. No worries. And that's going to be the start of my frog. Okay, that's where you stop. When you go, almost kicked over a pipe bomb. Move that over there. Waiting for paint to dry. All right, dialed down the air a little bit because I want a bit of a finer spray. I'm going to go right down the back of this fill here. I don't have much room. I hope it doesn't give me any space in here. I'm gonna stuff all stacked on the table. Anyways, enough for my marital woes. I'm drill a different hole here, probably down here somewhere, and that's going to be the little warts on the frog, toad, whatever. Wait for it. Because I was holding 5 things in my hand at one time, I decided I got these, why not use them? My helping hands. So now I can just put the little froggy down, twist him to the desired location, and as promised, hole. Some crud in that hole. Better. Better. Now, how's this gonna work? Oh, spot. Spot. I don't think that's 100% dry on top, so I'm gonna have to be super careful. Oh no! She just made me paint the floor white again. I didn't drop anything. What are you gonna do? I gotta get on top of this little baby here. Little froggies getting these spots and spots. Spots and spots. Lateral line on the bass. Ooh, sun's shining. I made this little cutout of cardboardy stuff. I need a curtain over there. I don't have a curtain over there. I can move you a little closer. I'm gonna just try my best to just hit a lateral line right down the side of that baby. I don't want it stupid tight. Need it. Just stay still. A little lateral line. I'm going to try and get a little dark spot right there where I'm going to put the eyes. I guess eyes. It's on my mind. I'm going to put a little dark spot, so when I put an eyeball there, looks good. Almost said perfect, but I'm far from perfect. Pretty good. Pretty good. Now what? Stay tuned. I was looking at my clear coat, my KBS. See that bubble in the center? I don't think that's good news. I'm gonna have to figure something out. Eyeballs on the bass, I'm gonna go with, ooh, it's gonna be a blue-eyed bass. It's okay, let's try it. And on my frog, I'm gonna put these, I don't know if you can see it, pretty dark, or pretty bright, pretty something. Back here, I'm gonna put these little orange and green ones on there. Yeah, you see how the light, it'll look better in the dark. My poor little froggy toady guy. And the old Bassaroonie. Alright, now I gotta try and figure out how to clear coat these suckers. Oh, one more thing before I do. I'm going to paint some of the coolest stuff I've found. Dragonfly glaze. Dragonfly glaze. Man, that was hard. I'm gonna put you down here. And this here stuff, you just paint her everywhere. Said I was gonna paint that red. I lied. I think I hear my kids are home, so there's gonna be some smashing and banging upstairs. I'm not too happy. My KBS is hard as a rock. Almost as something else there. Okay. This is where You guys are about to see how lucky I can become. I'm going to be trying this stuff. I bought this right off the hop when I was trying to make lures the first time. Worst thing I bought, Varathane table bar and table finish. I think maybe I was mixing it wrong. It's supposed to be 1-to-1. I don't weigh stuff, so I'm going to be doing in my big red solo cup. I'm just going to put drops of each. Okay, fellows, folks, this is where it gets stupid because I got to try and get equal parts in here. I'm going to try drops. 1, 2. That's it. I'm not doing that. That's going to be forever. Okay. Let's see. Well, that much of that. Now this is the activator. I'm going to say that's right on. What I found was a tumbler maker turner guy. So this is for turning, I guess, coffee cups or something. So I'm trying to let that spin for till tomorrow. I'll probably grab a fan, let that blow away on that like it. Got nervous when I came down this morning. This thing wasn't turning. It popped off the gear back there. So I'm sitting there and it's like, it's not turning. Panic. But lo and behold, this here is dry. Oil. Alright, better find a rag to wipe that. I'm going to put that down before I wipe oil all over it. Because that's the kind of stuff I do. If there's a mistake to be made, I'll do it. So these are going to be attached. And this guy's eating this guy. Here's my hinge. Made that out of stainless steel wire. And you just spin it right on there. Glue everywhere. Gonna attach some hooks, show you the final product. Alright, I figured, you know what? Maybe I'll show you guys some of the other stuff I built because I didn't do videos on all these. This one here has got a little under spinner belly. It does spin. What else? This one here works really cool. I actually had this thing tore apart by a fish, and the fish got away with this part, and he was jumping and thrashing and stuff, and ended up horking us out and spitting her back at me. When I made this eye, I did it with a pencil crayon. I just cut the pencil crayon off. It was a pink pencil crayon, so that's how I made that eye before I bought eyes or figured out how to paint eyes. This big DV divey run, it goes down and just smashes into rocks. This dragonfly never got hooks on it or anything because I started painting, and I kind of clouded up the wings. This one here, just fun. What else? I have this under spinner belly guy. It splashes and thrashes and crashes and all that fun stuff. What else? Glow in the dark. Polka dots. Just did this one as a Christmas decoration. It's got a nice like little campfire scene on it. I did that one, you know, the booby cancer. This one here didn't swim. This one here is like a big triple whatever. This one is the one where it all began. I built that one. It been the best lure I ever built. Was happened to be the first one. I caught pike and walleye on that very first time out. I outfished my buddy, which was weird because nothing else was working except that guy. So I will always hang on to that one. It's worth obligated. This one here, never got hooks on it. That's just a practice painter. A couple other works in progress. I'm going to try some soft bait. That's the mold I'm going to make. So it's got a little groove there for the big 5/0 hook to go through. I'm going to make that out of rubber or soft baits. This one here is going to go this way. See that? It's going to be a crayfish. Big old crayfish. Anyways, back to the task at hand. Got lures. Here we go. She's ready to get some hardware on it. I'm going to put 2 regular trebles on it and a replacement for an X-Wrap on the tail end. Scarier words were never said. But trust me. Make sure to never do this. You know somebody do that when they're doing something small? I'm not allowed to do it because I make fun of people who do that. I'd rather just do slack jawed than. So that's it. That is my jointed popper. I think it looks kind of cool if you ask me. But that's it, guys. That's it. It's all put together. I think it looks not too bad. So until next time, I want to see you guys on the lake, in the kitchen, even down here sitting in the chair in my little crowded corner. Check out the website. Got a little bit of gear for sale. If anybody wants one of these, let me know. This could be a free giveaway. I'll do a free giveaway on one of these. Leave some ideas in the comments and we'll figure out how to get rid of this stuff together. Until next time, thanks for watching.